Hey there guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'll show you how to check your pending deposits on Chime, right? So if you're expecting funds and you want to confirm their status, this guide is for you guys. So let's get started. So first things first, what I want you to do guys is I want you to open the Chime app on your smartphone and log in using your credentials. And if you don't have the app guys, just download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and just set it up, okay? It's essential for managing your account. And once you're logged in guys, you want to navigate to the Transactions tab. Okay, it's located at the bottom of the app. So this section basically displays all your recent and upcoming transactions, right? So here you'll also see your pending deposits listed with the status pending. And these are, typically direct deposits or transfers that have been initiated but haven't fully cleared into your account. So pending deposits may also display the expected deposit date, right? So, to get more details about a specific pending deposit, you just want to tap on the transaction. This will show you the number, the amount, basically, the sender information, and the estimated time for processing. And guys, if you don't see a pending deposit, but you are expecting one, guys, you just want to double check with the sender to actually ensure that it has been actually initiated correctly. Also, remember, guys, that direct deposits can take 1 to 2 business days to process depending on the sending institution. And that's it, guys. You now know how to check for pending deposits on Chime. Guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, for more banking tips. And I'll see you guys in the